So the optimal way to practice Totonou. Now, so you have sauna for 6 to 12 minutes in Japan. I mean, you can have it, how long ever is comfortable for you, but the ratio of sauna and Mizuburo is critical to bring the Totonou experience. Bring Japan Sauna Magic home, a step-by-step guide to Sweat Zen. That's something I'm going to talk about today, so stick around. Hi, my name is Sachiaki Takamiya. I am the author of the Ikigai Diet and Ikigai Bio-Hacking. So in the last video, I shared with you about Japanese sauna culture, how Totonou is a buzzword and people found sauna to be their new Ikigai. Okay, so today I'll share with you how to practice this Japanese sauna culture in the West. The key is Totonou when you practice Gai Kyoku outdoor rest after having sauna and cold bath. So Totonou is the feeling of kind of ecstasy or feeling of high, like mindfulness that you experience in Zen. Yeah, so that is what you want. Not regular sort of sauna and cold plunging, but more experiencing the Totonou. Okay, let's review how people practice sauna in Japan one more time. Okay, first we have a sauna, and the temperature is 80 to 90 degrees centigrade, and then between 6 to 12 minutes. Yeah, and then we have a mizuburo called plunge pool, and temperature is 16 to 70 degrees centigrade, and then 1 to 3 minutes. Then we have a gai kyoku outdoor rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Yeah, so this is Japanese style of having sauna. Okay, so how to do that in the West? I don't know what kind of things you have in your sauna facilities, but like a lot of you have sauna at home, right? And in this case, you already have sauna and then a bathtub. Yeah, but what you need is reclining bed like that. Yeah, something you can put next to your sauna room. If there is a room, possibly with windows on the two sides, so that you can kind of bring, the air from outdoor, and then you can practice gaikyoku there, or you can bring the bed to your yard in the summertime, and then you can do gaikyoku outside. Yeah. But in the wintertime, probably it's cold to do it outside. So you can have the kind of like small space is okay next to your sauna room. That would be great. Okay, so the optimal way to practice Totonou. Now, so you have sauna for 6 to 12 minutes in Japan. I mean, you can have it how long ever is comfortable for you, but the ratio of sauna and Mizuburo is critical to bring the Totonou experience. Yeah. So if you have sauna for 6 minutes, then maybe Mizuburo time is 1 minute. That is good. If you have sauna for 12 minutes, maybe 3 minutes is good for Mizuburo. Yeah. And if it's like 8 to 10 minutes, maybe somewhere in between, like 2 minutes. Yeah. And that would bring a good Totonou experience. Yeah. And then when you're having, while you're having sauna, if you like, you can, have some soothing background music. Yeah. And then after Mizuburo, make sure to dry your body completely. This is critical for your gai kyoku. Yeah. Then you have a gai kyoku. And then, so spring to autumn, I would do it outdoor if you can, or indoor with the windows open. Yeah. And then in the wintertime, I would do it indoor. Yeah. So it is easier than meditation. With the meditation, you need to concentrate and you require some practice, until you experience any kind of ecstasy, really. I mean, for most people, when you meditate, maybe it calms your mind, but you don't really feel that kind of uplifting feeling. Yeah. But Totonou does. Yeah. The gai kyoku of sauna brings that sensation. So that is very unique to sauna. Yeah. So to improve your mental state, definitely I recommend trying Japanese style sauna. So if you're interested in natural way of biohacking, please read my book, Ikigai Biohacking based on Japanese natural health. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you very much. Again, my name is Sachiaki Takamiya, the author of the Ikigai Diet and Ikigai Biohacking. If you like this video, please give me your thumb up and subscribe to my channel. And please leave your comment. Yeah. So, do you have a sauna at home? Yeah. And do you have one of those reclining bed or chairs? Thank you. Well, I'll see you in the next video. Live with your Ikigai!